We've had a lot of dry chili chicken in the past, but today we're excited to be making green chili chicken for you instead.
Soup being made.
Yes, soup. Hey, give me my order. What?
That's it.
Of the channel. Name? I'll keep the soup. I've covered so many Manchow soups. The chicken is ready. It got done quickly.
Soup won't lack water, right?
What's the matter? What's the matter, right?
Yeah. Yes, I'm giving it.
Isn't the gas working or what? Do it first.
Right?
Water. It's going in at night. Andy, what's up? From the fruit's head.
Ready.
It's ready.